Hi, I'm Abdul Wahid Tanner, and I'm the author of Test Driven Development with C++. This is a new book that just came out on Amazon, and I want to talk to you a little bit about it. So, I remember once many years ago, I was in a meeting and we were talking about a new software product being developed, and the architect said that he was going to base his software design around another product that I'd built about 10 years prior to that. Now, how do you get software not only to last for 10 years, but to be used as the basis for other software, that many years later? You do that by being very clear about what your customer needs and wants. That's the first thing that you're going to learn in this book. The next thing is how to write code so that as you grow your software, as you add new features, that you don't break code that you've already written. And the other part is how to write code that clearly communicates what the software does. So in this book, we go through 3 projects. The first project, and these projects are from the ground up. So, the first project starts out with about 6 lines of code, and we build it up from there. It's a full-featured unit test library. And then we use that unit test library to build a logging library. And after the logging library, we put all those together, and I show you how to test microservices. Even more important, though, than the projects in this book is the process. So you'll learn the actual process that I use in developing the software products that I've worked on over the years. And you will also learn the skills that will help you design better software. So get your copy of Test Driven Development with C++ today, and leave a review on Amazon. Let me know what you think. All right, thanks. Bye.